Hey everybody, Jim here with Totally Relaxed. I know it's been quite a while since I uploaded a video, but I just haven't had any content, and gasoline is way too expensive for me to go out there and try to find something to make a video about. However, I hope everyone's doing well and in good health. If this is your first visit to my channel, I ask that you join my great family and share my videos. I'll have much more video content later, and I'll explain more on that subject a little later on too. Now that the commercial is over, I got to tell y'all about a thought that hit my brain the other day. As most of y'all know, I'm still waiting for my settlement to happen in order to buy a new camper van so I can go back on the road and live full time. Well, the clock is ticking and I'm tired of waiting. I've had 7 years of waiting since I retired from trucking after 38 years, and time is of the essence right now. I'll be 70 years old come December, and I want to make sure that I'm back out there on the road doing what I want to do before I have to start eating dirt, so to speak. So the big brain thought is that I'm contemplating putting a new transmission, paint job, and completely new air conditioner system and new headliner into my truck. Also, I'll buy a used truck shell similar to the one Camp Goer 1 repainted a while back. I'll build a living quarter inside the bed of the truck and supply power to it with my EcoFlow Pro solar generator and solar panels. I figure this will suffice until my settlement is actually a true happening for me. As for the engine, it's still going strong with a little over 204,000 miles on it and doesn't use a drop of oil, believe it or not. It had 165,000 miles on it when I bought it in a like new condition for only $5 grand. Yeah, I've only put 40,000 miles on the truck in 11 years. Geez, that's crazy. I don't get out much, do I? Doing this will also save me from the complete boredom that I've been a captive of for several years. I went and looked at a real nice camper shell yesterday, about 25 miles from the house, but it turned out to be 8 foot long and my truck bed is only 6.5 foot long. Bummer. But the young man who had the truck shell became friends with me on Facebook. He was really a nice little guy, and I enjoyed talking to him for about 30-40 minutes. So it wasn't a wasted trip after all. I figure I could get most of the furnishings for the living area at IKEA and other helpful stores. I went this morning over to my mechanic and told him what all I wanted to do to my truck, as far as restoration, and he's going to be working on a quote for me real soon. I'm pretty excited about doing this endeavor and finally getting to go back on the road. I may not be full-time for the time being in the truck, but I'll definitely be able to get out there and get away from this house, get away from my desk, and quit eating so much, and all the good stuff that goes with it. At least I'll be able to do this until my settlement finalizes, then I'll go full-time from there. Well, that pretty much catches y'all up on what I've been up to, which isn't much, since all I seem to do anymore is live on YouTube, watch television, eat, sleep, and go visit my grandkids when I can, and go to the grocery store and buy groceries in between. I've gotten past the claw marks on the walls from boredom, impatience, and wanting to go full-time, I'm happy to report. Hope y'all continue to be safe, blessed, and happy. Happy travels to everybody that's out there. And thanks for watching the video as always. See y'all on the next one. Bye now.